Lab aims to enabling an educational institutions towards creating an ecosystem to foster learning, creativity and innovation in coding and robotics. It helps us to understand complex industry, standards of AI and robotic concepts in an easy way. That is why this facility is provided to us by our school for our future growth. Now, here is a visual of our Roboshala.
Hello everyone, welcome you all to the most adventurous place of our school, our Robotics. This place can also known by the name of Robotics Lab. Now, let me introduce you all the tools we have in our Robotics.
In this shelf, we are having these three types of kits: Gearbox, Purple Logic Box and Blue Logic Box. These boxes have tools and manuals according to different age groups and classes.
With the help of this blue Blueprint box, the students of grade 1 and 2nd can learn to assemble various blocks to create non-working models. Whereas this purple logic box can be used by the students of grade 5 to 7 to create a working model, as this box consists of few more tools like working motors, LED lights, wires and so on.
Now, here comes this gearbox. As we already know that gears are used to control the speed and functioning of a vehicle. Similarly, this gearbox consists of parts to control the speed and functioning of a robot.
Here we have these 3D pen, metal kits, laptops and few actual working drones.
As you can see, we are here with various models ready in front of us, the creation and functioning of which will be described further.
When we think about a robot, I'm sure you think something exactly like this. But here we have this robot in the form of scarecrow, which can be used in the fields to confuse the crows and protect the crops from crows. This was about the use of scarecrow, but now the question arises that how we can make it work like an actual robot with the help of different parts and linkages. We can make it working scarecrow which will be continuous in motion.
in and can turn, go faster or stop automatically based on the inputs from the sensors. In this car, we have a buzzer which will detect the obstacle and will turn off when an input signal is given to it.
Now, this is a season mechanism, such type of mechanism used in airports which helps you lift the luggage and place it in an aeroplane. This grows becomes small with one motion and place the object at the exact position.
This is another working model, which is street light. In this, we have used power block through which power is transmitted to the street light and it will turn on and off. On the other hand, we will use LED light which will represent the color of light and where the power will be transmitted to it will turn on and off button. The light will blink on LED panel.
This is the smart box which is assembled with the help of various different size blocks. Distance block, LED block and power block. To make this model a working model, we have to create a truth table which will be used for designing digital circuits. Digital circuits are basically 1 and 0, where 1 stands for on and 0 stands for off. For input devices like distance blocks, these digital circuits are used as signals. If it senses something, we can see the data as 1, which means on, and if it doesn't sense, we can see the data as 0, which means off.
This card can be assembled with the help of various bricks, tools and wheels which will make it a moving card. The purpose of this card is to drag a heavy object to move from one place to another. As we know that whenever we try to move something, friction makes it very difficult. But